Hello friends, today we will learn a new conversation. Conversation number 1. Introduce yourself. Pihu is a new student of class 1 and his class teacher is asking questions about her. And here is the conversation in between them. So let's start the conversation.
Hello, what is your name?
Hello sir, my name is Pihu Deshmukh.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Vijay Deshmukh.
And what is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Miss Sunita Deshmukh.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat mangoes, pizzas, burgers, ice creams and cherry.
What do you like to play?
I like to play kabaddi.
Pihu, you are welcome in this class.
Thank you, sir.
If you liked this conversation, please like, share and subscribe.